Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the AFBEST, A-F-B-E-S-T, cordless vacuum cleaner. Here's the unit in front of me, and it comes with 3 attachments, a nice nozzle, a brush, and another nozzle. This one's a little bit longer and thinner, and a USB cable that's going to allow you to charge it, a user manual, and the unit itself. Now you charge this with a standard USB port. You could use a 1 amp, 2 amp, or 3 amp, and the charging time is going to vary slightly depending on how dead the unit is, but it'll be 2 to 4 hours. So the manual does have the charging time listed for different chargers, and this internally has nickel metal hydride batteries. I'm going to show you the batteries themselves. So you can see for a 1.5 amp USB charger takes about 3 hours, and 1 amp takes about 6, 7, 8 hours. So I'm going to give you an example right here. I've got this plugged into a standard 1 amp port, and on the back of the unit there is a USB, micro USB port right there. Only goes one direction. You plug that in right there. So as you can see, it is blinking, and when it is done charging, it will turn to green. But that's really nice. It's a very simple display. It allows you to see what's going on. Now the unit is very simple to operate. You just push the button right here and it comes on. And you get a lot of suction right there, and you can see that when you turn it on, that the little rubber valve right there will open up and let dirt in. It only goes one way. We're going to put a light right there. You can see that little valve opening up and closing, and that allows the dirt to go in, but it doesn't allow it to exit until you push this button right here and then open this up. Now this is a very simple to clean. You just pull this back like that, and then you dump out your dirt and debris like that. Now this only goes in one way. If you try and put it the other way, it will not fit, so it only goes in one way. And to clean this filter, if you had to, there is a lock and an unlock on there. The unlock is to the right, turn it that way, and then it comes off. Then you have this nice little filter and an additional filter in front. Then you put it back on and you turn it into the lock position, which is, there's a little arrow right there, counterclockwise, and there you go. Then it goes right back into place, only fits one way, and you're ready to use it again. And you can push that button, make it easier, and it locks into place. Now these attachments are nice. They fit in the front of the unit and they stay really nicely in place, allowing you to grab smaller pieces of dirt and debris. And then you have your brush attachment like that. Then you have your smaller nozzle just like that. Now I want to point out that it may seem loud in the camera because I'm right by the unit, but this is one of the more quieter vacuum cleaners I've ever reviewed. It's very quiet, very nice. Now I want to go over some of the specs, the features of this. This is CE and ROH compliant, which is talking about the electronics and the safety of it. It does have nickel metal hydride battery, 7.2 volts, and 3,000 milliamp hour, very, very large size. It has an internally 100 watt motor, and the suction on the end there will be up to 6 kPa, which is kilopascals. And just so you know, that'll lift about 600 grams of weight. It'll filter out up to 0.3 microns. It has a HEPA type filter that's washable inside that I showed. This will run for up to 30 minutes, and the cup is a large 260 milliliter, and also you can fill this up with 260 milliliters of water or liquid. It has internal circuitry to protect the motor from overheating. It has circuitry to protect the batteries from overcharging or over discharging. And it's all charged by that micro cable that I showed right in the back right there. I wanted to show internally the batteries here so you can see that they are replaceable and how large they are, and they're the capacity that they state in the listing. So let's unscrew this back right here, and you can see those safety ratings right there that I mentioned. And let's just open this hatch up right, and just simply lifts out like that. And here you can see the batteries are right in place, and you can see they're very heavy duty and has a label on there, nickel metal hydride, 3000 milliamp hour, has a replacement number also, and you can see that they just plug in with those cables quite nicely. And they have rubber there so that it won't move around and vibrate. Then you put that right back in there and slide it back and put the screw back on, and you're set. So that shows you that it's got good quality, very large oversized batteries, so that this will last for that half hour of use. So here's an example of the vacuum cleaner, the F-Fest, picking up cornmeal. So here's the vacuum cleaner, the F-Best, picking up some breadcrumbs. So here I have some coffee. So everybody's got a car that's got crumbs, so I'm going to put the brush attachment on there. And then if you want to get into the crevices, let's say you got some crumbs deep in the crevices of your car, put the other attachment in there. Now everybody's got dust, dirt, pieces of grass on the bottom of their car, on the carpet area. Let's see how it does here. So you can see it's doing a great job. It's even picking up, you can hear the little rocks going in there. Now when it's time to clean it out, let's take a look how that works. We're just going to push that button right there and release it. And then we have the end cap with the filter on there. And I'm going to shake that out. And you can see, look at all that. That's all the collection that we just did. And you just dump that out just like that. Now, if you're going to rinse this out, make sure that it's thoroughly dry. And then shake your filter out just like that. And then you're ready for the next use. And again, if you want to rinse this off, you can do that. Just turn it counterclockwise, clean it, and make sure it's 100% dry. You don't need to do that each time, maybe after every 10 uses. So that's how simple it is to clean it. So as you see, this thing worked just great. I really like it, and I think you'll be really happy with this product. This is the AbFest Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. I really like this, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And also, if you like this video, hit the like button. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.